your tool review of the week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so this was really awesome. This whole moment it kind of warmed my heart. I did a review on the bottom stack of this. It's a 2.0 DeWalt pack out system. DeWalt and Milwaukee are kind of rivaling on this. And there's this power station that goes on top of it. It's freaking dope. Like, it charges 4 batteries, plugs in. And it was really funny because I was on the job site and one of the guys, he points to his thing and I was like, what? And he was like, tool review. You know, and I was just like, awesome. You know what I mean? So it was really cool. It meant a lot to me that he knew that we were going to feature it. And I thought this was freaking awesome. I haven't really investigated all of what this thing can do. I'm thinking this power station is pretty awesome. Like, I'm guessing that it has some more capabilities just than charging 4 batteries at once. But it's cool that it snaps onto a pack out. And I'm thinking that you could have some charging capacities for like all your mobile devices. All my stuff has this all where you can just take like a 5-volt charger. You could charge your phone. You could charge your iPad, you could charge your computer, you could charge your laptop, all this stuff, and you could charge this all simultaneously, which to me is awesome because you could just charge everything that you have out in the field, and it's really cool. Like when this guy pointed to it and like gave me a little wink, I was like, oh yeah, you're in tool of the week, brother. So it meant a lot to me that they knew that this DeWalt power system is pretty good and they're all competing. So maybe next week I might do the DeWalt power system that goes on the DeWalt pack out. But altogether, I really recommend it, and DeWalt's the best out there for battery capability, battery charging, and battery lasting, in my opinion.
Are you talking about next week doing Milwaukee?
Yeah.
You said DeWalt.
Oh no, I'm thinking. Yeah, like at least I didn't say Powee station.
Yeah, I saw that.
But yeah, I do make mistakes. But yeah, next week we'll probably do Milwaukee